Namaste, I'm Dr. Guleria. I know that many of you have some questions as far as the vaccine is concerned, and let's try and address some of them. In the initial phase, COVID-19 vaccine will be provided to priority groups, and these include healthcare workers, frontline workers. Those above the age of 50 may also get vaccinated early depending upon the availability of vaccine. The eligible beneficiaries will be informed through the registered mobile number regarding the health facility where the vaccine will be provided and the scheduled time for the same. This will be done to avoid any inconvenience in registration and vaccination of beneficiaries. No, I don't think that would be right. Registration of beneficiary is mandatory for vaccination of COVID-19. Only after registration, the information on the session site to visit and time will be shared with the beneficiary. So any one of the documents that I am going to be mentioning with photo may be produced at the time of registration, and these include Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license, PAN card, service identity card issued by employees of central, state government, public limited companies, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, the Manrega job card, a passport, smart card issued by RGI under NPR, pension documents, official identity card issued to MPs, MLAs, MLCs, passbooks issued by banks, post office, health insurance smart card issued under the scheme of Ministry of Labour. Any of these documents can be produced with your photo at the time of registration. The photo ID produced at the time of registration must be produced and verified at the time of vaccination. Photo ID is a must for both registration and verification of beneficiary at session site to ensure that the intended person is vaccinated. Following online registration, beneficiary will receive SMS on their registered mobile number on the due date, place and time of vaccination. Yes, on getting due dose of COVID-19 vaccine, the beneficiary will receive SMS on their registered mobile number. After all doses of vaccines are administered, a QR code based certificate will also be sent to the registered mobile number of the beneficiary. Yes, I would request that you take some rest for at least half an hour after taking the COVID-19 vaccine. And if you have any symptoms, any discomfort, please inform the nearest authorities, the ANM, the ASHA workers, so that they can attend to you if there is any problem that you have. Remember to continue following key COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing of masks, maintaining hand sanitization and physical distancing, that is 6 feet or 2 gaj ki duri.